DJ Zefinho, o DJ Moral.
Esse é o Top DJ.
Once I was 7 years old, Mama told me, go make yourself some food so you don't lonely. Once I was 7 years old, it was a big, big world, but people even bigger. Pushing each other to the limit, people learning quicker. Like 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never was so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself away for you to lonely. Once I was 11 years old, I always had that dream like my daddy told me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that story just always seems to bore me. Cause only those I really love will never really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old, I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least my those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story